And Western legal analyst Alicia Adamson joining us now on set. So Alicia, lots to talk about today here on day 2. We heard one of the potential jurors say that anonymity was important to them. But last week the judge rolled out the fact that they could be sequestered. So what does that mean? Is there still a potential for being sequestered for these jurors?
There is a potential. The defense attorney raised the question of sequestration last week, and it can be raised again, but seemingly Judge Nelson, when she says no, she means no. So the likelihood of them being sequestered is very little.
Even if it's important to a juror, right? It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
Okay.
And we heard Stuart mentioning the media coverage. There were a lot of questions from both sides to these potential jurors about their knowledge of the case. Does it matter that they've seen a lot of TV or print coverage of the case?
What they've seen doesn't matter. What's going to matter is if they can put what they've seen to the side and follow the law. If they can take the evidence that they're going to see throughout the trial and use that and only that information to come up with a verdict, then they'll be okay to be on the jury.
All right. And Alicia, tell us a little bit about the process, too. Once we get to 21, that's kind of the magic number, and then what happens there? We're hearing all these questions right now, but this is kind of the questionnaire that they're going through, right?
Right. This is just a weed-out process, just to see the people that have been affected by the media so far and what they've heard about the case. But once we get to that magic number of 21, then the traditional voir dire process will start, where both sides will get an opportunity to talk to the jury all together in one room and ask them questions just about the general process and how they feel about burden of proof and constitutional rights and things of that nature.
And so if we got to 21, they start this process and they don't get enough people for the 6 jury members and 4 alternates, they go back to this process?
Yes, that panel gets stricken and we start all over again.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Here we go. Alicia, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right.